All right. Hello and welcome to sprint number one. In this sprint, I chose to work in cloud database. To learn a little bit more about that, I chose Google Firebase as my cloud database provider. And here is my program. It's about 150 lines long. To give just a quick briefing on this program, I guess the first bit that's important is all of these libraries, the Firebase admin, Firebase, and get pass. Those are all the type of libraries are used as well as credentials in Firestore inside of the Firebase admin. So the first thing that we did was really just use an API key to be able to make a handshake with Firebase in my program. And the next bit, which gets into the first part, is really the stretch of this assignment that I was working on. I didn't really know how to do a lot of these things, but the biggest thing that I wanted to do for a stretch is to create a user authentication system. So if we run this program, and the first thing it's going to ask us to do is to enter a login, so an email and a password. And so in order to use a proper email and password that works, we would need to enter the user email and create that password for them inside of Google Firebase prior to accessing the program. So in Firebase, we got to just go down to build, or not build, sorry. Oh, no, it is build. Yes, here it is. Sorry, authentication under users. And then here we just add a user with the password. So these are my personal email and my school email. So I'm actually going to enter my personal email. And it says success, we're logged in. And so now we're able to use the program. So that was pretty much the big stretch. And in this program, we pretty much have 4 different kinds of things we can do with our database. We can add a new car, update a car, delete a car, and query for a car. And so this program is mainly designed around car dealerships, thinking about inventory, adding car details, updating them, deleting them when they've maybe been sold, etc. So I guess to add a car, that was the first thing we wanted to do. We can press 1, and then we have to just follow the different suggestions that it asks, and then it says it added a car, and it gives you the ID and the time that it occurred. 2 is to query a car, and so by querying we can type in anything we want. We could type in the type, we could say SUV, and it's going to give us all the different SUVs. If we wanted to do 2 again and we wanted to just say all the cars that are Honda, it'll give us all of the cars that are Hondas and so on. Now, if we wanted to delete a car, it's important to know the ID to be able to access that. So if we wanted to go in and delete this, let's go this one, this Honda Accord. Say I want to delete that. So it's a Honda, so we already searched for Honda. We can see right here, this is that Honda Accord. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to say 3. Now it says enter the ID, so I entered that. And then it's going to double check, do you really want to delete this? I'm going to say yes. And then it says car with the ID has been deleted from the database. And if we go back here, it is no longer there. It is gone. So it's pretty fast. It updates quite quickly. If we wanted to update a car, same thing. We're going to need an ID. Let's go up here to this Honda CRV. And if we scroll back up, we can find the CRV right there. So we're going to copy that. So I'm going to say that I want to update a car. I'm going to give the document ID, and then it's going to tell me which one do I want to update. Let's say I want to update the year. So right now we have it as 2019, but what if it's a 2020? So I enter 2020. It's going to ask me if I want to update something else, and I'm going to say no. And then it's going to say successfully updated the year for that particular car. And if we go back here, boom, 2020. So again, pretty fast. It updates quite quickly. And that is essentially my project. I hope you enjoy it, and you can read in the README a little bit more about this program, as well as the comments throughout the entirety of this file. So thank you so much.